Hello everyone, I am Mr. Low. Today I want to share with you the features of the AutoCount Advanced Item Module.
This AutoCount Advanced Item Module actually has two main functions. The first function is to filter those reports. Currently, AutoCount can only filter item type and item group for these two reports. If you have this Advanced Item Module, you can filter more precisely.
Then, many bosses really like this. It can also filter by brand, category, and class. The second major function is apply in, for example, sales apply in. If I don't check sales, then this item can only be seen in purchase. So it seems like some items are raw materials, and raw materials are not supposed to appear on sales invoices. So in this case, we should not check it. So the sales department is less likely to make mistakes, reducing their errors and so on. Purchase, post, and I will explain more about it later.
So it is mainly designed for these two major functions. This advanced item is only available in the premium edition of AutoCount. If you have a version below the premium edition and want this feature, you need to ask your leader to purchase this module.
Without further ado, let me explain how the system operates. For this module, you need to go to Tools, Module Setting, Tools, Program Control, Module Setting, and check this Advanced Item Module.
So after checking it, you will see that the stock item will have these additional features apply in and these group, brand, category, and class features. You can also right click and use the advanced layout. With the advanced layout, there will be more. You see, it has more OK functions displayed. So brand, category, class. You see, when you didn't have brand before, I used this item type to replace the brand. After having this item type, you can specify whether this is a smartphone or something else, allowing for more detailed categorization. Class, to see whether it is a grade A or grade B item. So for example, we do a class maintenance. As you come to this more stock maintenance, so this class maintenance, it might be of better quality. It is a class A. Not as good, maybe class B, or this is second-hand trade-in or trade-in products. You can just put it like this. It's for some report purposes. Then when you come to this stock item here, you edit them one by one, and then fill in this class. This is one method.
If you don't want to fill them in one by one, you can use this find function. You can search, let's say this is LG. All LG items are good, class 1. Then you select LG. Here is an easy item. You can highlight all of them and edit them all at once to change them to class A.
So I'll show it again. This is called select all, and this is called range set. For range set, you can check this class and then you fill it as under class A. Here, you just directly save. It will help you fill in class A for LG. This is a shortcut. So these categories, these item groups, item types, item classes are all for your convenience when you look at reports, when you look at some analysis.
Usage for viewing some analysis purposes.
What are the uses for reports? For example, you can look at stock balance. You can go to more options where there is a filter tool. You see, it definitely has this class. If you only want to see the stock balance of one class, you can filter it out like this. Or look at some sales reports like money sales analysis, some margin reports. All of these are possible. It has this filter by class feature. Do you see it? Item, brand, category, and class. When you inquire, it will filter by class if you have applied it to that product. If it hasn't been applied, then it won't. If it is applied, it will help you not only with the item group, item type, and item group. So if you want to fill in the correct corresponding class, it will also follow that class to generate some reports, including purchase reports. As long as you fill it in, there will be related reports. This is one of the uses of the advanced item. The second use of the advanced item is this.
This apply in, let's say this iPhone 5. Here it is all checked.
So when we create a sales invoice, you can also find this iPhone 5 item. So if you type iPhone 5, it will come up. But if in the item maintenance section, I haven't checked the sales option, it won't appear in the sales invoice. So what is the advantage of this? The advantage is that for some products that might be raw materials should not appear in the sales invoice. This way, you can turn it off and it won't show up in the sales invoice. Similarly, if you haven't checked the purchase option for this product, it won't appear in the purchase section. It will only appear on the sales invoice. It might be a finished good, something you sell as a finished product, not raw material. So in this situation, you can apply it in reverse. Also, this apply in can reduce your errors. It's not just in sales and purchase functions. If you have bought our POS system, it can also be applied to the POS system, meaning whether this item can be sold in the store or if it can only be used for wholesale. If you don't check it, then it won't appear in the store. It can only be used for wholesale, not for store sales. This is also a method. After that, the raw material and finished goods must use this assembly module. If you don't use this stock assembly module, it won't appear. So just now when I turned it off, it disappeared. That's one module. Similarly, the POS system, if I don't use that POS system, automatically turns off. So only with these modules will it appear. What is the benefit of this? These two are actually used in this function called stock item BOM maintenance. Here, it's here. So the one above is a finished good and the one below is raw material.
So it's very simple. You see, if I turn this off, that raw material, this item, this iPhone 5 turned off, raw material, you see it goes to this item maintenance here. It's set here to only find iPhone 6, can't find iPhone 5, but here you see it can find both 5 and 6.
Similarly, if I reverse it and switch the check to finish good, then actually in the item BOM maintenance, you will see that it cannot find finished good, but it can be found in raw material.
So this is its use to prevent you from the BOM incorrectly. Setting it incorrectly, this is clearly a raw material and you might set it to become a finished good.
So the above are the two main functions of this advanced item. You can also use it with other modules. For example, you can use it with this called multidimensional analysis. After you open multidimensional analysis, you will actually see there is a sales analysis and a purchase analysis. These analyses, it can be used like a pivot table, allowing you to analyze your item brand, item group, and item category. It can group them together and then you can add your item code, which will help you break down your reports. So the whole thing, you can do it by year, by month, whatever different reports you want. You can drag the report you want. This is why we only have this in the premium edition, the advanced item module, because it is usually paired with this module, which is also multidimensional analysis and is only available in the premium edition.
I hope this video helps everyone. Thank you all.